Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all a very easy recipe for a chicken cranberry salad full with tons of flavor, and I'm using rotisserie chicken to make this. So I already cut up the chicken into small cubes. Next I'm going in with some dried cranberries, black pepper to taste. I'm adding in some Cajun seasoning, and I'm using the Slap Your Mama brand, and this is the white pepper. Next I'm going in with some celery salt. Next, some cumin, some chopped cilantro. You could even put some banana in here if you like. Some Dijon mustard, enough mayo. Some people like less, some people like more. Add in some chopped cucumbers. You can even put ripe avocado. I'm going in with some grated carrots just to give it some more color. Toss that in, taste and adjust your salt, and then this is ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make it and let me know down below if you like it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.